Good morning, dear children. Today, let's see a small poem in Unit 3, that is The Looking Glass. What do you mean by the looking glass? Looking glass means mirror. What do we see in the mirror? We can see our own reflection in the mirror. The mirror shows how we exactly look. So let's start our poem, The Looking Glass. Every day mummy goes down to the shops and sometimes I go as well. And of all the things we see in the town, I would never have time to tell. Today while mummy was buying some eggs, I waited for her outside. And there I saw a little green girl whose shoelace had come united. So let's see what the poem is telling about the looking glass. In this poem, there are two characters. One is mother and another one is a girl. Every day mummy goes down to the shop. So what does the mummy does? She goes to the shop daily to buy things. And sometimes I go as well. While our parents go to the shop, we also go, right, with them. Same like here, when the mother goes to the shop to buy things, here one girl also goes with her sometimes. And of all the things we see in town, I would never have time to tell. So in the market there will be a lots of things. It may be a toys, sweets, clothes, etc. Right? There will be lots of things in the shop. So she is telling that I have no time to explain what are the things we have seen there. Today while mummy was buying some eggs, I waited her outside. Today what happened while my mother was buying some eggs, I was waiting for her outside. And there I saw a little green girl whose shoelace had come united. While waiting outside for my mother, I have seen one girl. I saw one girl there who wore a green dress. Her shoelace was untied. She stooped to tie it, and so did I. Then we both turned away and both peeped back. So she stooped to tie it means she bent down and tied her lace. Then we both turned away and both peeped back. After tying the lace, we both turned back and we both see each other. I smiled and she did the same. I smiled, she also smiled. It seemed like playing. It was like a game. She wore a pretty green dress like mine. She wore a green pretty dress and I also wore a green pretty dress. Both are similar. Green stockings up to her knee. And who do you think was that girl? Why that girl, green girl, was me? Here she was wearing a green dress which was up to her knee. Whom do you think the girl was? It was me. By seeing her own reflection in the mirror, she is explaining about herself. This poem is written by Ruth Underwood. Another poem, Unit 3, Part 4, Safety First. So, safety first means what are the safety precautions we take to keep us, protect us from the harmful things. Safety first. Up the street I look to see if any traffic is near to me. Down the street I look as well and listen for a horn or bell. It is a safety measure we take while crossing the road. So let's see. Up the street I look to see if any traffic is near to me. I will see upwards the one side if whether there is any vehicle or traffic coming near to me. Down the street I look as well and listen for a horn or bell, and I'll see the both the sides and see if whether there is any vehicle is coming near to me, and I'll also listen a horn or bell of the vehicle. We all do same, like we all see both the sides and we'll cross the road, right? If whether any vehicle is coming, we will wait patiently. After the vehicle moves, we will pass to the other side. There is something coming, wait a bit. If I run out, I may be hit. There is something coming, wait a little bit. If the vehicle is if there is a more vehicle in the road, we will wait some time, right? After all the vehicle clear, we will move to the other side of the road. But now the road is really clear, no car or motor buses near. Now nothing is there near to me, no motor bus is near to me, no car is near to me. I will run across the road so wide. Hooray, I am safe on the other side. I will cross the road so wide I will cross the road to the next side. Hooray, I am safe now. While you're crossing the road, you should be careful. You should see both the sides whether the vehicle is coming near to you. If it is coming, you should wait. If it is not coming, you can cross and reach your destiny. Up the street I look to see if any traffic is near to me. Down the street I look as well and listen for a horn or bell. There is something coming, wait a bit. If I run out, I may be hit. But now the road is really clear. No car or motor bus is near. I will run across the road so wide. Hooray, I am safe on the other side. Enid Blyton.